Last hadith, we said, if you ever pray, let's say you prayed Dhuhr, and then you came somewhere, and then people didn't pray, they delayed the prayer, and they're going to pray. Don't say, I prayed, just join them. You already prayed Dhuhr. You prayed Asr. But you join people. People are still going to pray. Don't tell them, I already prayed. Just join them. That's what he did to him. He hit him like Abu Dharr. He said, I did to you exactly what Abu Dharr did to me. When I asked him this question, he hit me. Meaning, I want to follow the Sahaba. Abdullah ibn Samit is very young Sahabi. Abu Dharr was very old Sahabi. So they had respect for age. So I will do exactly as senior Sahabi did, which is he touched me, almost left a mark, meaning it was big. It's like, hey, this is the answer. Trust me. The answer is join the Jama'ah with your intention Sunnah. But don't say, I prayed. I already prayed. SubhanAllah. A group of people have the right to delay Salat. For a reason, they were discussing something very important matter. Delayed within the time. For example, Dhuhr, 1:30 up to 2:15, 2:30. They have the right. If there is very important subject to discuss, not business, jihad, solving problem between husband and wife, solving the issue of should we pay zakat on a sick mother or not. Fatima, these are the issues that we delay salat for. It's not like my famous last episode of my Korean drama. Do you understand Korean? You see, this is the problem of Muslims. So he said, join the salat with them. Although you pray, but keeping the spirit of jama'ah, not making them feel bad. You see, in Islam, we should pay attention to the feeling of the individual, but also individuals shouldn't harm the feeling of jama'ah. Very good, the group. It's not always about one person. Sometimes one person can really hurt a group of people. So, subhanallah, even with the truth, I prayed Suda Salat. Join the Jama'ah. There is nothing wrong with that. Yes, you pray, and then Sunnah. The second one is Sunnah. My niyyah is Sunnah. But I join you. I increase your number. And I get pahala too. Jama'ah. So we are all winners.
It's not that common.
Yeah, it's not that common, especially here in, I know.
Yes.
Sunnah. You've already prayed Dhuhr. Halas. Hamida is so punctual, she prayed Dhuhr. Then she goes, she found some group of people. Don't say, apa ini? You're so late. They're already late. We know that. No. Say, okay, I join you. I like that.